Here's our buddy Jackson. After good feeding, he gets the hiccups. And he never seems to fuss or fight when he has the hiccups. But he's always very alert. Jackson! Hey, there you are, buddy. Sorry you have the hiccups. And we're just getting Jackson ready for bed in his sleep sack. But as usual, around 10 o'clock, Jackson is not ready for bed.
Wide awake, aren't you? Oh, you looking for Mama?
So, hopefully we'll get rid of these hiccups pretty soon. And our buddy boy, hopefully will have a good night's sleep. Oh, it's a twofer. Hiccups and sneezes. He sneezes about twice a day. Say hi to everyone, Jackson.
Are you waving? Are you doing the wave to yourself?
Jackson. Jackson. Jackson.
Where's Daddy?
There you are. Good night, buddy.